Hello students, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 6 and from first video to from video 5th I already discussed about alcohol. In this video 6th I will be explain classification, nomenclature, electronic structure and physical properties of phenol. So in this video completely study of phenol. Phenol. Phenol other name is carbolic acid. Alcohol ROH, that is means OH group attached with R, so it is known as alcohol. But OH group attached with C6H5, that is means phenyl group, benzene, so it is known as phenol. Alcohol is aliphatic and phenol is aromatic. So, if the hydrogen atom attached to the carbon atom of an aromatic nucleus is substituted by hydroxyl group OH, then compound known as phenol. That is means in ROH, alcohol, alkyl group attached with OH, and here phenyl group attached with OH. There hydrogen of alkene replaced by OH group, so it is known as alcohol, and here phenol, alkyl group of hydrogen of phenyl group replaced by OH group, hydroxy group, so compound form phenol. Then classification, phenol are divided into 3 types: monohydric, dihydric and polyhydric. Monohydric, that is means one OH group attached in benzene, so it is known as phenol. Second category is dihydric. Dihydric means 2 OH group attached with benzene. It is known as dihydric, and this compound important, and in general way its name is catechol. Third category is polyhydric. That is means those compound in which more than 2 hydroxy group. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydroxy group attached with benzene, and its common name is hexa. Hexa means 6. Hexa and OH attached with benzene, so phenol. Hexaphenol. So its classification. Next topic is nomenclature. So in alcohol, common name is alkyl alcohol, but here common name is carbolic acid or phenol also. IUPAC name also phenol, and what is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So example we will be see. First example, phenol, OH attached with benzene. So category which? Monohydric, dihydric, polyhydric. So one OH group, so that is means mono. So its IUPAC name and its common name both are same, phenol and phenol. Second compound is OH attached with benzene, that is means phenol, but substitute group CS3 are attached. So first given numbering. So first number given to functional group OH 1 and 2. So second number substitute group attached. So we write 2-methyl. So 2-methyl, OH attached with benzene, so phenol. And its common name is ortho position methyl group attached. So OH and CS3 both are attached in benzene, so its common name is cresol. This CS3 group attached with meta position. So 1, 2, 3. Third position, that is means meta. So meta position CS3 attached, and when OH and CS3 both attached in benzene, so common name is cresol, and meta position CS3 attached, so meta cresol. And its IUPAC name is numbering given from starting OH 1, 2, 3. So 3-methyl phenol. Next example, OH attached with benzene CS3. So first C over 1 OH group, so mono, and OH CS3 attached with para. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth position CS3 attached. So Fourth position is para. So para and paracresol. And numbering is starting from OH. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth group, methyl group. So 4-methyl phenol. Next example is 2 OH group attached with benzene. So 2 OH group, so category is dihydric. And first and second both of OH group attached. So both first and second, so its IUPAC name 1 and 2, benzene 1 and 2, di and suffix for alcohol all. So name is benzene 1,2-diol, and its common name when 2 OH group present in benzene, so its common name is catechol. Next example is OH attached at meta position. This is ortho and this is meta. So meta position third. So catechol is common name, but meta position OH attached, so ortho position OH attached, so common name is catechol. But OH attached with meta position, so its name is resorcinol, and its IUPAC name benzene 1,3-diol. Next example is OH attached at fourth position, and fourth position considered as a para position. So para position attached OH, so its common name is hydroquinone, and it's also known as quinol. And this example is very very important because hydroquinone as a medicinal name and as a use in D pharmacy. So this compound, it is very important. So its IUPAC name first and fourth position OH group, so benzene 1,4-diol. Next example is benzene attached with 6 OH group. 6 OH group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So more than 2 OH group attached. So category is polyhydric, and name is benzene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexa 6 all, and its common name is hexaphenol. Next compound is this benzene 1 OH group and 3 NO2 group. So one, its function group OH. So starting from numbering from OH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second number, fourth number and sixth number. NO2 group, so 2, 4, 6, 3 tri, and nitro group nitro, and OH attached with benzene phenol, and in short way name is 2,4,6 tri T nitro N and phenol P. So its name is 2,4,6-TNP, and its common name, it is very important, picric acid. Then last example of IUPAC nomenclature, the benzene ring attached with OH and CS3 Cl Cl CS3 Cl. So one OH group attached, so its category name is mono. And 3 Cl third position, third position, fourth position and sixth position. So 3, 4, 6 trichloro, and second and fifth position methyl group. So 2, 5 methyl dimethyl, and OH attached with benzene phenol. So IUPAC nomenclature completed. Next topic is electronic structure of phenol. Benzene attached with OH, and you already know O oxygen 16 group of element. So electron you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that is means 6 electron. So 4 electron as a 2 lone pair, and carbon, oxygen and hydrogen between bond angle 109 degree. So CO and OH 2 bond. This carbon attached with benzene, so sp2 hybridized. Reason because 3 sigma bond, 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds, and this oxygen 1 and 2 lone pair, so sp3 hybridized. COH So angle 109 degree. Next topic is physical properties of phenol. So it is very important because reasonable questions every year came from this topic. So first is phenol has higher boiling point and more solubility in water than arene. Arene, that is means benzene compound like toluene, C6H5 attached CS3, because phenol C6H5 attached with OH, so comparison with C6H5 CS3 toluene, and haloarine, that is means halogen attached with benzene, C example fluorobenzene. So approximately same molecular mass, but phenol has higher boiling point. Comparison than toluene and fluorobenzene. So first we have to discuss about phenol. So phenol contains hydroxyl group, OH group, and it forms intermolecular hydrogen bond. See, in toluene CS3 attached with benzene and fluorobenzene fluorine attached with benzene. So but in phenol OH group and oxygen has two lone pair, and oxygen property as intermolecular hydrogen bonding, easily form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with other molecule of phenol, like this phenol benzene attached with OH, and other molecule we take benzene attached with OH, and between you see hydrogen of one phenol attached with oxygen of other phenol. So this is bonding is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Then after you take phenol with dissolve in water, so hydrogen of phenol form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with oxygen of water. So that is means whenever phenol dissolve in phenol, so phenol also form intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and phenol in water also form in. So due to this intermolecular attraction increase in phenol, so for intermolecular hydrogen bonding present in phenol. In toluene, not a intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In fluorobenzene, not a intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So in phenol, this bonding are present, and for bonding, breaking this bond required higher energy. So its boiling point is higher, because for higher energy required, so that is means given temperature high, so its boiling point high. And this question is very important. Next is melting point and water solubility of orthonitrophenol is less than meta and para isomer. That is means we take ortho, meta and para, but orthonitrophenol is less melting point and water solubility comparison than meta and para. So reason is, see, meta, due to meta and para nitrophenol form intermolecular hydrogen bond with their other molecule and water, but in orthonitrophenol hydrogen atom of hydroxyl group form intramolecular hydrogen bond. So we will be see by example. You see, this is benzene attached with NO2 group, nitro group, and you structure first you see NO2 nitrogen, one side attached with double bond oxygen and one side attached oxygen 3 lone pair minus shard. So attached with and para position OH attached. Second molecular para same, this benzene ring, NO2 group and OH. So oxygen of nitro group of one phenol attached with hydrogen of other para nitrophenol, so form intermolecular hydrogen bonding in para. But we see this example is para, benzene attached with NO2 and OH. So this is water molecule and this is water. So from para nitrophenol and para nitrophenol, in para nitrophenol form intermolecular hydrogen bond in para nitrophenol and also form in water. So this is bond is intermolecular hydrogen bond. But whenever we take ortho, so ortho nitrophenol, so here also we write this is way C, benzene, NO2 group, and first position OH attached, so that is means it is ortho. And C, ortho nitrophenol, in this molecule form hydrogen bond, and this hydrogen bond intramolecular hydrogen, because this is bond present in one molecule. But intermolecular hydrogen bond, that is means one molecule form hydrogen bond with other molecule, and intramolecular hydrogen bond, that is means in one molecule this hydrogen bond are formed. So two types of bond, intermolecular hydrogen bond and intrahydrogen bond, molecular bond. So molecular hydrogen bond present in ortho, and intermolecular hydrogen bond present in meta and para. So due to meta and para from intermolecular hydrogen bond, so melting point and water solubility of meta greater than ortho, and ortho form intramolecular hydrogen bond, because this hydrogen bond present in one molecule, so its solubility, water solubility and melting point also less comparison than meta and para. And this question is very important. Next topic is physical properties, and physical properties as a solubility in water. Consider this is a tablet form only for UC, for knowledge, not a will become in exams, but only for your knowledge. Physical properties: phenol, toluene and fluorobenzene. Solubility in water, you see 8.2 of phenol and 0.05 of toluene and 0.2 fluorobenzene. Boiling point 455 of phenol, 384 of toluene and 358 fluorobenzene. Molecular mass in gram per mole, 94 of phenol and 92 toluene and 96 fluorobenzene. Melting point of orthonitrophenol, meta and para. So you see melting point of para greater comparison than ortho and meta. Solubility also greater of para. So this is only for this table, only for your knowledge, not a will become in exams. Last, physical properties of acidity of phenol. And what is the acidity? Acidity, that is means H plus removal of acidity. So phenol, OH, so whenever dissolved in water, so easily depletes its H plus ion to H2O, and whenever two electron, that is means this electron of oxygen and this electron of hydrogen also accept, so two electron, here you see 1 and 2, and H plus replace H plus ion attached with H2O, so H3O plus hydronium ion and negative charge at oxygen. Reason, this electron accept from hydrogen, so negative charge appear at oxygen. So whenever phenol dissolve in water, so phenoxide ion form. Its name is phenoxide ion. So easily H plus ion remove. So phenol represent acidic nature. So aqueous solution of phenol is acidic. Aqueous solution, what is the meaning of aqueous and non-aqueous? Aqueous means dissolve in water, so aqueous solution. So not a dissolve in water, so non-aqueous solution. So it is aqueous solution of phenol is acidic, blue litmus paper into red. So its nature explained by experiment by litmus paper. It is neutralized with aqueous NaOH. Whenever dissolved in NaOH, so it is neutralized, but not with sodium carbonate. This proves that phenol possesses weak acidity property. Then after, in phenol, OH group is polar. Reason, oxygen electronegative and hydrogen electropositive. So it is polar. Hence in water it ionized to give hydronium ion. As a result, its aqueous solution becomes acidic. Alcohol also donates H plus ion to water. Alcohol also, comparison with alcohol also given H plus ion to hydronium ion. So RO minus and phenoxide ion, benzene ring O minus. So it is alkoxide ion, it is phenoxide ion. So both of represent high acidic nature. So negative charge delocalized on oxygen atom, so its resonance forms are not possible in alkoxide. So but in phenoxide ion, oxygen atom becomes delocalized. Due to this, more than one resonance forms are possible. So stability of phenoxide ion greater than alkoxide ion. So it is very important. So question are formed: stability of phenoxide ion greater than alkoxide ion. So you already see this is phenoxide ion and alkoxide ion are O minus, and phenoxide ion, that is means oxygen attached with benzene, so represent resonance structure, that is means electron delocalized in benzene ring, charge localized in delocalized in phenoxide ion, but alkoxide ion localized one at oxygen. So that is means not a represent resonance. So stability of phenoxide ion greater than alkoxide ion. So we have to see resonating structure of phenoxide ion. See, oxygen attached with benzene and negative charge at oxygen. So first oxygen given its electron pair to benzene, so next electron going to next bond. See, so here double bond are formed, so negative charge at ortho position, so again this bond going to next new bond are formed, but whenever double bond going to next way, so going to next way para position, so negative charge appear at para position and back side new bond are formed. Again this negative charge going to next side, but first double bond going next position, so here negative charge appear and back side new bond are formed. This negative charge again going to next side, but double bond going to oxygen, so here new bond are formed and this double bond electron again going to at oxygen, so negative charge appears. So first position and in the last position phenoxide structure are formed, so that is means this negative charge, see first ortho position, then para, then ortho, so that is means negative charge delocalized in phenoxide ion, but in alkoxide ion it is not possible, that is means localized at oxygen. So resonating structure represented by phenoxide ion, so its stability greater than alkoxide ion. Due to higher stability of phenoxide ion, increase hydronium ion concentration, so aqueous solution of phenol is more acidic than alcohol. So question based on this topic: why aqueous solution of phenol is more acidic than alcohol? So you represent first resonating structure, then after you write higher stability of phenoxide ion due to resonance structure, so aqueous hydronium ion concentration increase, so aqueous solution of phenol more acidic than alcohol. So physical properties of phenol completed. So next topic I will be explained in next video. Thank you so much.